Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, thank you. So today we will study about our body. Unit 1, my head. Okay, today teacher I have one picture to show you. Okay, everyone, what can you see in the picture? Girl or boy? Girl. Okay, beautiful girl. Yes, right. Okay. You tell me about. Can you see what is it? Eye. Eye. You know eye? Eye meaning in Khmer? Pneg. Okay, pneg. Pneg meaning in English. Eye. Eye. Okay. Repeat. Eye. 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 You can spell eye. E Y E. Okay. E Y E. Eye. Eye. Repeat again. Eye. 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 Spell E Y E. Okay. You see the word in the board này. E Y E meaning in Khmer. Pneg. Okay. Pneg. Okay. What can you see in the picture? What is this, everyone? Chromo. Okay. Chromo. Chromo. Meaning in English. What is it? You can read. Nose. Nose. Again. Nose. Nose. We can spell nose. N-O-S-E. Okay. Repeat again. Nose. 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 Okay. N-O-S. Nose. Nose. Meaning in Khmer. Chromo. Dạ, chromo. Okay, one more. What is this, everyone? What is this? Moan. Moan meaning in English. We can read mouse. Mouse. Okay, repeat again. Mouse. Mouse. You can spell M-O-U-T-A. Okay, repeat again. Mouse. Mouse. M-O-U-T-A. Okay, mouse. Meaning in Khmer. Moan. Okay, moan. Okay, one more. Something that you want to kiss. What is it? For kiss? Okay, spoil. Spoil. You can knows about the meaning in English. Spoil nó còn thà spoil mình chứ spoil. Anh lấy những thằng mấy cái spoil. Cheeks. 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 Okay. Read together. Cheeks. 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 You can spell C-H-E-K. Okay, one more time. C-H-E-K. Okay, meaning in Khmer is spoil. Okay, one more. Something for listen. Đọc. Bây giờយើងស្ដាប់អីមួយអានឹងយើងប្រើអីគេស្ដាប់តិចដឹងថាអង់គ្លេសគេអានថាម៉េចអត់តិច ear ear. Okay, repeat again. Ear. Ear. One more. Ear. Ear. You can spell ear. Dạ. E A O. Ear. Ear. ប្រែថាត្រចៀក Okay, the last one in our head is something, everyone. What is it? Nè. Thngà. Okay, thngà. Thngà ông lấy tham mày chữ. Thngà. Forehead. Forehead. Ăn tao này mới. Forehead. 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 Okay, spell F O R E A E A D. Okay, one more time. S O R E A E A D. An thá. Forehead. Forehead. Dạ, bộ thá. Thằng à. Okay, now everyone knows about our head. Now teacher want to introduce about the action. When teacher said something word, you need to activity to teacher. Okay, right? Example like eye. You touch your eye. Please touch your eye, everyone. Okay, please touch your eye. Please touch your ear. Please touch your forehead. Please touch your mouth. Please touch your nose. Okay, good, very good. Congratulations yourself. Congratulations. Okay, clap your hand. Thank you, everyone, for today. Job.